Welcome to this demo of the Music Genre Classification app. In this project, I built an interactive web application that predicts the genre of a music file using deep learning. This app is developed using Python and Streamlit for the user interface. It uses a convolutional neural network model trained on the GTZAN music genre dataset, which contains over 1,000 audio samples spanning 10 genres. Here's how it works. First, we upload an audio file in WAV format. The app extracts audio features using the Librosa library and processes them through the trained deep learning model. Once analyzed, it predicts the genre of the uploaded song with high accuracy. This music genre classification app demonstrates the integration of machine learning with web development to create intelligent, user-centric applications. Thank you for watching.